Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hassi, and today's topic is a case study which is titled Gold Exploration Using Eucalyptus Trees. Let's get started. Okay, first a little background information about this case study and the topic that actually the case study will be used. So the topic is transport and fire remediation. Fire remediation means this is a technology that uses plants to clean up contaminated sites, this mostly soils. There are certain hyperaccumulator plants species that they can accumulate from 0.1 to 4% of their dry weight. That's 1,000-fold higher than the regular other plant species. There are about 400 plant species that they are considered hyperaccumulator. They are identified so far. They are natural, and they could be also induced using certain chelators. Okay, so there are different types of fire technology. Today we are going to talk about the type that, so some advantages of these fire remediations are they are cost effective when compared to some other conventional methods. They are natural, more pleasing, aesthetically pleasing, minimal land disturbance, and they reduce potential for transport of contaminants by wind or soil erosion. Fire extraction cost can be actually in 30 years can go up to $12 million for a 12-acre land site. So fire remediation is a good natural alternative. Okay, so this case study is basically has a learning objective. At the end of this module, students should be able to analyze a journal paper on gold hyperaccumulation and engage in critical thinking and innovative approaches to problem solving. So this case study has 3 parts. There is the before class, during class, and after class. This can be used in an online class very easily. The whole full website, the link is here for the full case. There is a QR code here, can be scanned and reach there too. This is the original paper, Fields of Gold, Plant Prospecting for Precious Metals. Okay, so before class meeting activities, so first students, number one, first students read the article about this cold hyperaccumulation, which basically by eucalyptus trees in Australia, which is the whole case study is based on this original research paper. 2, they answer a few brief questions on metal transport, uptake, hyperaccumulated plants, transport systems, and plant vascular anatomy. That's before. During the class, students working groups will examine published research on the use of trees to search for and to perhaps find buried gold, and then they need to do show me evidence in this group work. Number 2, students will use the Google search to examine how a metal in the soil is taken up by plant roots and translocated to the leaves. Number 3, students will discuss the data analysis of this case and find out answers for questions like which plant organ most reliable to detect gold in this case, and they need to design a follow-up experiments on what they learn in this activity. So after the class, students will be going and completing a written reflection on this case that includes plant transport techniques they learn, and then the successes and challenges they encounter for this case, which is called exploration using eucalyptus trees. So how this case will be assessed, there will be a rubric a detailed rubric that will be used to ensure the student reflection is complete, and also to score student reflection and then provide good, strong feedback to the students. So this is the case study, and thank you for watching. And please feel free to comment and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Take care.